Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. Alright, first thing you need to do here is of course open up your Bitget app and log in if necessary. Now what you're going to do next is just tap on the assets section right here at the bottom right. Now once you're in here, you're going to want to look for a crypto that you would like to transfer. For example, we're going to select on USDT right here, and then you're going to want to select on this three dots right here and tap on withdraw. Look for on-chain withdrawal, tap on it. All right, wait for the app to load. If you want to, you can change the withdrawal network right here by just tapping on the drop down. All right, just for this example, I'm going to select on BEP20. Then the withdrawal address, to find it, you're just going to want to go to your home screen and open up the Bitget Wallet app. Once the app is open, just go ahead and tap on receive right here at the center of the screen. Tap on that. Of course, select USDT. All right. If you can't find your crypto right here, all right, just go ahead and use this one, the search bar, and type it down right here. So I have selected BEP20 USDT, right? So I'm going to look for USDT BEP20. There you go. Simply hit on allow to back up your phrases. All right. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to copy your link address right here by simply tapping on this button right here at the right corner. Tap, and as you can see, address copied. Now, what you're going to want to do is go back and open up Bitget app. Tap on this box right here, hold it, and simply hit on paste. All right, as you can see here, our wallet address is now pasted. Now, just go ahead and input your withdrawal amount. And as you can see here, the withdrawal amount minimum is 10 USDT. All right. So for example, you're going to want to transfer 10 USDT. If you have insufficient balance, it will show a warning right here. All right. And a reminder here, please be aware for security reasons, you may receive phone calls from customer service to confirm your withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal amount is 10 USDT and etc. etc. All right. Once done, just go ahead and hit on withdraw. And on the next page, it will be just confirmations that the transfer has been applied. And that is it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.